Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the template. This is where accuracy saves time. Measure the base, length, width, height, then add 1 cm for each side for folding. Draw the rectangle for the base, then mark flaps for sides and tabs for gluing. Make sure the tabs are about 5 cm wide. Cut along the outer lines with steady pressure and score fold lines lightly so paperboard bends cleanly. Once done, check that edges align before folding. Now you take the scored template and fold each side up. This creates the walls of the box. Apply glue to the tabs. Use a thin, even layer so excess won't warp the paper. Bring edges together and hold. If available, clamp or weigh the joint for 10-15 minutes so the bond cures. Reinforce inside corners with small triangular scraps for strength. This prevents deformation when you store items. Make sure seams are flush, because neat seams eat. To finish, tidy the box. Trim dried glue, sand rough edges, and apply a decorative wrap or varnish for protection. If a corner looks open, do not force it. Instead, gently rescore the fold line and lift the seam, add adhesive, then realign and clamp. This fixes misalignment without weakening the structure. Finally, test the box with a small load. If it holds, you're done. If not, reinforce with internal strips or thicker corner pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.